In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance Pay to send and receive crypto instantly. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to get a grip on how Binance Pay works, I've got you covered. To kick things off, open your web browser and head over to the Binance dashboard. You want to ensure you're logged into your account so you have access to all the features we'll be discussing. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the wallet icon. This is your gateway to managing funds on Binance. Clicking on the wallet icon will bring up a menu. Here, you want to select the option labeled Funding. This is where you can manage the cryptocurrencies you have available to send or receive. Take a moment to get acquainted with this page, as it's integral to the process. Next, you're going to decide which coins you'd like to send. Once you've picked your coins, you'll notice a triple dot icon next to your selection. Click on these dots to reveal more options, where you'll see Send. Click on that. You'll now be prompted to enter the recipient's details. You can either type in their email or their Binance ID. Be sure to double-check this information to avoid any mishaps. Once entered, hit Continue to proceed. Following that, it's time to select the currency you wish to send. You'll have a list of supported currencies, so go ahead and pick the one that aligns with your needs. For the sake of this tutorial, let's say you're sending BNB. After choosing your currency, you'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer. Feel free to add an optional note if there's a special message for the recipient. When you're ready, click Continue again. And just like that, you've successfully sent crypto using Binance Pay. It's a straightforward process, but incredibly handy and efficient. Now, let's move on to receiving crypto. On the Binance dashboard, head back to the Pay homepage. Here, you're looking for the Receive option. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you have two main choices. Save your QR code or set a specific currency and amount. Saving the QR code allows others to scan and send directly to you, while specifying an amount can be helpful for accelerating transactions. And that's how you receive crypto with Binance Pay. I hope this guide has made you feel more confident in navigating Binance Pay for both sending and receiving cryptocurrency. It's a remarkably versatile tool and makes managing digital assets a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy transacting.